Hey everyone, 3 Card Style here again. Today we're going to go through and open another booster box of OP-06. So for those of you that haven't seen my previous video, I went through and opened my first box of OP-06 followed by a double pack, and it was a doozy. I managed to pull a Alt Leader and an SEC, so was pretty impressed with that for my introduction to OP-06. Hopefully today we will get either equally good hits, and if not, even better hits. See how long it takes me to get that elusive manga card, and hopefully it proves to be the Zoro one to start off my manga hunt. So without further ado, let's rip! Let's get this party started. I'm definitely gonna have to work out a better technique for opening these guys. There we go. So I'm definitely really enjoying opening packs. Like, I'm not sure if you guys have seen my previous videos, but in my first one, I kind of go into a bit of detail about my, I guess, lead up to doing this channel. And part of that was me saying that I have never actually done any card or pack openings before. And I have to say that it is a lot of fun. I'm not sure how this compares to other TCGs. Let me know in the comments if you guys feel that the One Piece TCG is better or worse, or just how it really compares to other TCGs in general. I'd love to hear your opinions, but yeah, I'm definitely really enjoying just getting into these One Piece cards, looking at the artworks, engaging with some of the community. It's, yeah, lots and lots of fun, and being able to share that with everyone just brings it to a whole nother level. So, let's see how we go. Oh, and just an event card, Black Bug. So, I guess with this video, I'm gonna start trying to have a better look at what the pull rates are, and see how it compares with, I guess, other packs. And yeah, just have a better idea of what to expect as I get through the booster boxes. So in my previous video, I believe, we got our first leader, Hody Jones. Cool. Shigi and Ryuma. Yeah, so in my previous video, I believe I pulled 7 leader cards. 8 leader cards. 7 SRs. 1 SEC and 2 Alt Arts. So I'm not entirely sure if the SEC counts as a hit or not. But, so, if it does count as a hit, that was a 3-hit box, and from what I understand, your standard packs are either a 2 or 3 hit box. So, I guess given the values of the cards, I'd be inclined to say that it was a 3-hit, and then our first SR, Kazuki Hiyori. Cool. So I'm quite interested in what the effect of this one is, considering it's only a 2 cost and 0 power. So on play, you may add 1 card from the top or bottom of your life cards to your hand, up to 1 card from your hand to the top of your life cards. Yeah, cool. So I think that counts as a searcher, that one there. So that's a pretty cool effect. I guess makes up for the fact that it's got 0 power. Could definitely be handy in Land of Wano or Kazuki clan deck. Cool. And yeah, I guess the more I get in amongst the community, the more I familiarize myself with some of the different different decks that you can build and the different character effects, and ultimately make a decision on what leader to go with and to build a deck around. So if you guys got any suggestions on what a good leader would be to build a deck around, let me know in the comments. I'd definitely be very keen to hear your guys' input and any, I guess, reasoning behind why you feel that's a good deck to build. So I'm not too sure what the general meta is around and what people are typically doing. Oh, there we go. Hody Jones SR. So getting through the SRs pretty quickly. So that's 2 SRs and 1 leader so far. Hopefully we're not getting all the good ones out of the way straight away. Save a bit for the second half of the video at least. But yeah, so if you guys want to let me know what kind of decks you guys are running and what you feel would be a good deck to build and good leader to base that deck around, yeah, I'd love to hear all you guys' input, because that's definitely something I want to kind of get into in this new year, is actually going to events and playing the game. Nothing in that one. Yeah, so I think there's a local store near me that runs a pretty frequent just general event that just, you know, running One Piece nights. And looks like we got a leader there. So from the last deck, I believe there's 2 of the Don cards per booster box, and each of those comes with a leader. So let's see how we go. And we got Perona, green black Perona, Van Decken, Vinsmoke Yonji, and then the Don card. I still like that Don card. I think Zoro's Wano outfit is probably my favorite to date. Not too keen about Sanji's, but we all know that Zoro's the main character, right? Maybe a bit of a controversial opinion, but we're all for it. Yeah, I guess let me know in the comments if what you guys think your favorite character outfits are. If you feel that maybe the Wano outfit didn't really cut it for you guys. But I definitely feel the whole Wano vibe really kind of suits Zoro's whole thing of, you know, being swordsman and samurai and all that. Oh! Got a Tashiki alt art! Wow, that's pretty cool. No idea the value on this one. It is only a rare, so it may not be worth too much, but that is a pretty cool artwork. I do like that. That is a cool card. Let's see what the effect is here. So on play, look at 5 cards from top of your deck, reveal up to 1 Navy type card other than Tashigi, and add it to your hand. Then place the rest at the bottom of your deck in any order. So it's another searcher card. Awesome. So we'll get that guy, or girl should I say, in a sleeve. Oops, if I can get it in the opening. There we go. Yeah, awesome. So our first hit. Nice. So that was pretty early hit, and again, don't know how good of a hit it is, but I mean, I still love the artworks. Like, I don't think I've found one that I particularly don't love. And like all the alts are really well done. I'll have to keep an eye out to see what the original artwork for that Tashiki is, and just compare them. But yeah. But yeah, I'm thinking I might do a video of my first... Oh, there we go, another leader. The Uta leader. Purple red. Cool. Yeah. Oh, there we go. So that's the original artwork and the alt art. So yeah. Really cool. Well, that didn't take long to be able to compare those. Yeah, so I was just saying that I think I will do a video of my first outing at playing the game out at an event, and hopefully I do alright so I don't embarrass myself in front of everyone. But I guess that's all part of the adventure and the fun, right? Let's see. So far we've got, I believe, 3 leaders and 2 SRs and 1 alt art. So that should... Oh, there we go, another SR, Kazuki Momonosuke. Cool. So I got the brother-sister duo yet again. Not right after one another this time, but sure enough, where there's one, the other seems to follow. Yeah, so now we've got 3 leaders and 3 SRs, so I believe that's another 5 leaders and 4 SRs to go, and then hopefully another 2 hits. Yeah, we will just have to wait and see. So I'm not entirely sure if there's a guarantee in a SEC with each box, or like I said before, if it's considered one of the hits. So I guess by the end of this box we should know. And yeah, so fingers crossed we get some other good hits to continue on our OP-06 journey. So we got another leader, Vinsmoke Reiju. Cool. Arlong and Absol. Cool. So we got one pack left in the first half, and then go on to the next half. So it looks like it's a pretty even spread so far of leaders SRs in both halves. So it looks like we got through half the leaders so far. And that'll hopefully we get through the rest of them pretty early in the second half, and that'll just leave our hits towards the end. Oh no, there we go, another leader, Gecko Moria Black leader, and those. Cool. So yeah, most of the leaders out of the way in the first half, so can't complain with that. So hopefully all that's left now is some hits. Oh, there we go, another leader. Not upset about that at all. Go through. But yeah, just I I hope it doesn't take me too long. Oh, there we go. Our Yamato leader. Green and yellow. Cool. Yeah, I'm hoping it doesn't take me quite as long as it has for some people to get a manga. And yeah, I think out of all the mangas, I'm probably wanting to get Zoro the most. For, I guess, obvious reasons. I'm still yet to send away the gold Zorodon that I pulled to get graded. But I plan on doing that soon. And fingers crossed we get the PSA 10 on that one. But I honestly wouldn't be able to begin to guess just by looking at it. Like, I haven't looked at the One Piece cards anywhere near enough to have any kind of judgment of the straightness of the cuts or quality of the artworks or any of the other things that they look at. But either way, oh, there we go, another SR, Vinsmoke Reiju. Cool. So another one that I think would be really cool to pull is a SP, which I haven't had the pleasure of pulling yet. And some of the SPs I've seen, their artwork is unreal. So I think some of the manga cards are SPs as well. I'm not sure what the Zoro manga is considered, but like some of the non-manga SPs, they look pretty sick and are worth a fair bit from what I've seen. There we go. Gum Gum King Kong Gatling and SR Perona. Nice. So that's 5 SRs and I believe 5 leaders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaders, sorry. So we got 2 more leaders and 3 more SRs. And we've still got a fair few packs to get through. So fingers crossed we still got something good to gum. Something green in the back there. No idea if that's a hit or not, but probably not. It's probably just a rare or something. Ah, leader card. A Perona green black. Cool. Yeah, cool. So yeah, we definitely want to get those leaders out of the way. So 1 more leader card. So we've already got the second Don hit. So it'll just be a normal leader. Try not give away anything in the back there. Definitely much more fun to be able to go through them, build up the suspense a bit. Oh, and there we go, our final leader. Cody Jones, green. I got Tsuru and Vinsmoke Niji. Cool. So there's still a fair few packs left to go there. So hopefully there will be something good. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 2 more SRs and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more packs to go. Fingers crossed we got something good. It's definitely kind of building the suspense for us here though, isn't it? Only 1 hit and most of the way through the box. So it's starting to look like we may only have 2 hits. And we got Kazuki Hiyori SR. So that's our second one of those. Cool. So one more SR to go. If my deductions are correct from the previous pack opening. Who knows, it might be leaving us to the true last pack magic. I'm pretty sure that there's at least 2 hits in each booster box. So, should be at least something else. And that one. Nothing on that one. Cutting it close. Don't look like it might only be 2 hits in this one, and we haven't got a SEC. So I'm definitely leaning towards thinking that the SEC is considered as a hit. So the only other real exposure that I've had to booster boxes are different Japanese booster boxes and the PRB. So I think the PRB was kind of spoiled me a little bit, in the sense that, you know, there's a SEC in each one. It's got SRs in basically every pack, and then it's got like, oh, I can't remember exactly, but like 5 hits. So definitely a bit different with this one. And we got, we got another SEC Roronoa Zoro. Nice. That's a good one. That's a good hit. So I don't know, hard to say if this is considered a hit or not. I guess if we get another one, yeah, hard to say. Would have been nice to get the ult of that one. But yeah, still very happy with that. Definitely will not upset about getting a nice looking Zoro card. And I'm pretty sure there's 2 potential SECs in this box. So there's the Zoro SEC and the Sanji. So I'm yet to find the Sanji SEC, but I mean, I'm definitely not complaining. Definitely very happy with the Zoro SEC. So that's just another rare. Well, it's starting to run low. We got 3 packs left. One is a SR, and then hopefully another one is a hit. I guess, yeah, if there's no other hits, we can confirm that the SEC is in fact considered a hit. And if we do get another hit, then I guess we'll just have to get another box and continue the investigation. Just, you know, one of those things, I suppose. Not much else to be done, unfortunately. And just negative holo event card. Okay. Well, down to 2. Really hoping that we've got something else here for you guys. Definitely wouldn't be mad if I pulled another alt leader. So I've only managed to pull 1 alt leader in total. And from what I understand, some people like to actually play with the alt leaders, and we got... Hey! What we got here? Miss All Sunday. Oh, it's an SP! Yeah! Oh, that is awesome! Wow! Look at that! So we got our first SP of the channel. That is awesome. That is a sick looking card. Wow. Miss All Sunday Baroque Works. Oh, that is awesome. Definitely gotta get that one all sleeved up. And I've even got a couple of top loaders, which this way. There we go. There we go. Our first SP of the channel. Nice. So, I guess that settles it. We're just going to have to buy another box of OP-06 and find out once and for all if the SEC is considered a hit or not. But, oh, wow. Wow. And second last pack too. Couldn't have planned that if I tried. Wow, that is awesome. So this last one then should very well be SR. So let's see how we go. If our math is correct and our powers of deduction, unless I have miscounted. So this one here should be an SR. Here we go. I mean, it was almost last pack magic. I'm definitely really happy with that. And we got a bit premature. There we go. SR Shanks. Wow. 10 cost 12,000 power. Wow, what's this on play effect? KO up to one of your opponent's characters with 10,000 power or less. Wow. I can see why he's a 10 cost. That is insane. Gonna be played with the film, the four emperors, and red-haired pirates decks. Wow. That is an impressive SR. Yeah, nice. So there we have it. That is the end of our second OP-06 box opening. So just in a quick review, we got our 8 leader cards. We got Hody Jones, Perona, Yamato, Gecko Moria, Vinsmoke Reiju, Uta, Perona again, and Hody Jones again. Cool. Then our 7 SRs. We got our Shanks. Got Kazuki Hiyori, Perona, Vinsmoke Reiju, Kazuki Momonosuke, Hody Jones, and another Kazuki Hiyori. Cool. Got our 2 Dons, of course. So those 2 there. And last but not least, we got our hits. So first up, we have our Alt Art Tashigi. One right there. Awesome. Then we got our SEC Zoro. Very, very nice. And what I expect to be the main hit of the video is our SP Miss All Sunday. Nice. That is awesome. I will probably hold on to this one, simply because it is the very first SP that I've pulled in the channel. Wow, that is awesome. Alright, let's just let that go over, there we go. So, thanks everyone for those of you that stuck around this long. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves, I know I sure did. I will most likely be opening another box of OP-06 in the near future, just so we can investigate further upon whether or not that SEC truly is a hit, or if I just seem to be managing to buy all the boxes with the SECs in them. Feel free to let me know in the comments if you guys know or have some opinions of the matter. But yeah, if you guys can like the video, if you enjoyed it, leave me a comment with any suggestions, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. It'll really help with the growth of this channel and for other people to be able to enjoy it as you guys have. And yeah, until next time.